Hi, I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage, and today I'll be showing you how to make the Catalina skirt. Start with a slip knot and chain 94. To make your skirt shorter, you can subtract multiples of 12. To make it longer, you can add multiples of 12. Starting in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in each of the first 10. Half double crochet in the next chain, and 3 double crochets in the next one. Double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Double crochet in each of the next 6 chains. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Double crochet in each of the next 6 chains. Pause the video and then repeat chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next 3 times, then double crochet in each of the next 6 chains. Repeat this sequence 4 more times. 6 chains left. Repeat the first half of the sequence to finish up the row. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. Chain 2 and turn. Row 2. Working in the back loop only, double crochet in the first stitch. Then we continue to work the same sequence. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next. chain one, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next, chain one, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next, double crochet in each of the next 6. Pause the video and then repeat, working in the back loop only. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next 3 times, then double crochet in each of the next 6. Repeat this sequence 5 more times. So when you've done that, you should have 22 stitches left. And you just want to check that these windows line up so you know you did it right. Okay, and then we're going to repeat the first half of the sequence just one more time here. So we're just going to do that chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, and chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next. Okay, now we're coming to the end, so we're gonna just kind of wrap up this row here. So it's going to be a double crochet in each of the next 4. Okay, and then to get the angle here, we're going to do 3 double crochet all into this next stitch here. And then we're going to reduce it down into the waistband. So then we do that by doing a half double crochet in this next stitch. And then we do the waistband, which is a single crochet in each of these last 10 stitches. Okay, and that completes the row. And then we're going to chain 1 and turn. And then we're just going to repeat this last section in reverse. And again, working in the back loops only. So we're going to single crochet in each of these first 10. Then it's half double crochet in the next one, and then 3 double crochets in this next one. Then we double crochet in each of the next 3. And then we start to repeat the sequence again. So it's chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, and then double crochet in each of the next 6. Okay, so these windows should be offset. So you see the block on the first 2 rows, and this is the one we just did. So the last one overlaps with the first one on the previous row. And then you're just going to continue to repeat the sequence. We should have 10 stitches left at the bottom here. And also you want to check that these windows line up correctly. And then we're just going to do the first half of the sequence, which is chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next, and then we're just going to double crochet in each of these last 4 stitches to finish out the row. Then we chain 2 and we turn, and now we're on to row 4. So again, working in the back loops only, we're going to double crochet in each of these first 5. And now we're up to the window section, so we're just going to be repeating this, starting with the chain 1, skip 1, and we're just going to repeat the same thing until we get to the top. So you can pause your video and we'll do that. So now we're coming to the end of row 4. Again, just check that these windows line up. And this is just really going to finish up the same way as row 2 did. So we're going to do the first half of the sequence, which is the chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next 3 times. And then we double crochet in each of the next 4. And then it's 3 double crochet all into that next one. Half double crochet into the next one. And then single crochet in each of the last 10. And then we just chain 1 and turn. So now we're on to row 5. This is really just doing row 3 again, except we're going to leave some space at the bottom to get that zigzag hem. So it's single crochet in each of the first 10, half double crochet in the next, 3 double crochet in the next, double crochet in each of the next 3, and then repeat the sequence 6.5 times, starting with that chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in the next. So now we are at the end of the row. You should have 8 unworked stitches here. Always check that the windows line up, so they should be offset with the first and the last overlapping. So next we're just going to chain 2 and we're going to turn, and you're going to be repeating from row 2. And just repeat rows 2 to 5 until your skirt is wide enough. You probably want to make sure it fits over your hips, and then you'll stop at the end of row 4, you chain 1, and then you're just gonna slip stitch the seams together. You could add some elastic to the waist so it fits correctly. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Check out crazycabbage.com for more free patterns and video tutorials. Bye!